All right, you guys. There we go. Let me see if I can get you to focus in. Here. There we go. Sorry about that. So here we go. I'm going to teach you how to erase back. I'm going to come a little further down for this one. Okay, all right, so I'm going to come down. I'm going to line my ruler up. Okay. I'm going to do a 4-inch one for me, but you guys don't have to. I'm going to line that one up. Line it up on the edges. We're going to make this a 3. Okay, I'm going to line that one up. Again, it does not have to be perfect. I'm just looking for close enough. Okay. I'm going to come over here, and that's my alarm, of course. Let me fix that. So that's what you want to do. Right there. All right. So now that I've got that, I am going to go in and I'm going to shade all of this, okay? Softly. The whole thing. Don't worry if you go over the edge. It's not a big deal. You can erase back, okay? And go right here. I'll shade this whole thing in. And when I shade like this, you guys, look how fast it is. So much faster. So I'm going to rotate my pencil. Okay. This is another really cool technique to learn. Okay. I'm going to take my Q-tip. I'm going to blend it. Okay. I'm going to get a nice medium value or medium tone in my color or my values. Okay. I'm going to rotate my Q-tip. If you do this with a Kleenex, much faster. Look how fast that is. Okay. Much faster. And then I'm going to go in and I think I'm going to do one more shade. I do want it a little bit darker. And then if you notice how I hold my pencil, because I'm trying to go fast. My battery's dying. So there we go. Okay, so Kleenex is really good for big areas. Okay, and because I did not shade with my finger, there's no oil, so it goes like this, and look. Rotate my paper. Look how well it cleans up, okay? Skip that. All right, good enough. Now I'm gonna give you guys the ocean waves, and how you do that is you go like this, you go draw a C, a C, a C, and then you connect them. That's how you draw the high C's. Okay, so now that I've done that, I'm gonna use my eraser, this side, and I'm gonna go C, okay, shake off, make sure you don't have any right there, and then I'm gonna connect my C's because it's the high C's. I know, that joke. Okay, you can let me do that. And there you go, you got the high C's, but now I need to add shading to my high C's. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go right here, and I'm gonna kinda draw this little line around it, okay? And I'm gonna shade it in. I'm gonna press kinda hard, if you notice. Sometimes it works better if you had a pad of paper underneath. Okay, I'm gonna go like this, press hard, and then go soft, just like we did for the rectangle. And soft. I'm gonna draw this line, because this line's gonna help guide me. It's gonna be that little detail. Okay, and then I'm gonna go right here. Press a little hard. And notice every time I do another layer of shading or color on the pencil, I get another layer and it goes darker and darker. Okay, I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna go Darker, harder, press hard, not so hard. I'm going to shade it out. I'm going to go darker, 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 press hard, not so hard. Okay, and then I'm going to bring my pencil out. I'm going to smooth it out. If I need to, I'm going to add that line. You can always go back and add their lines, you guys, if you want, and go a little darker. Always just shade a little more. All you got to do is just add another layer. Okay, so there's that. Take my Q-tip, blend it out. Okay, there's that. Now, I'm going to go and I'm going to flip this around. Again, when I do that, I want to cover up if I have any other shading because I don't want to get smudges on my paper. Neatness is craftsmanship, okay? Neatness counts. There you go. There's that. And now because my background, when you get to the horizon line, so my horizon line is where the air meets the water, you want to take your pencil and go down flat, okay? I'm going to go in a little bit of a round motion. Okay, we're going to erase back. Okay, I'm glad I have that line of separation, so I'm glad I outlined my waves. I'm going to kind of just go around here. Because it's C and it's round, I'm going to use round circular motions to erase and then kind of go around. Follow the form, just like shading, this is just opposite. And then just blow on it. I'm going to flip it over. And then I'm going to do what I've been doing. I'm going to kind of press hard. I'm going to make it darker on top. Again, it doesn't matter if you overlap the line because you're going to erase. Because we did not use our finger and there's no oils, it'll erase beautifully. So I'm going to kind of bring this down and then I'm going to make it soft. I'm going to use my Q-tip. Mine's a little more messy than yours, but it's okay. I'm gonna hurry, my thing's gonna die. You can just keep blending with your Q-tip. Okay, and then if I feel like it needs a little shading, okay, and there you go. Okay, you have the high C's.